Hello everyone, today we're going to teach you guys how to swap connectors for range hood LED lights. Some of the range hoods use different kind of connectors. For example, if this one is not able to plug it in, you need to cut both connectors and peel off the skin from the wires. Then connect the old connector with the new LED light and apply the electrical black tape. After you connect it, you need to plug it in to test. If it still doesn't work, you need to swap the color to inverse the positive and negative. Then apply the electrical black tape. After, plug in to test. If it still doesn't work, test your power supply to make sure you have 12-volt outputting. Go to the voltage DC and then measure your power output on the other side of the connector. If it doesn't have a 12-volt outputting, then we have a power supply that is 120-volt going to the power supply adapter converter outputting 12-volt DC that connects to the LED light.